2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71 off-road package. Come with a 5.3 liter V8 4x4. It's been lifted with a 20-inch wheel, bigger tire, off-road tires, and the suspension has been updated, lifted also. It's looking amazing though. I like these lifted trucks so much. Look at that huge wheel in there, and the suspension lifted also. Look at that, looking so cool, huh? Welcome to the driver's seat. Let's go for a ride, my friends. Let's go enjoy this baby. I call it baby. Hey, hello my friends, welcome back. Here I am again, enjoying my day. Here I am in a beautiful, amazing looking modified 2016 Chevy Silverado. We have Men in Black, and now you have this one Chevy in blue. Looks so cool that we can take it down to Hulu, get some dew. That's wrong. Just disregard that, alright? So yeah, so 2016 Chevy Silverado Z71 package, come with a 4x4 system, 5.3 V8 liter, no, 5.3 liter V8 engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's been lifted, modified, lifted, 20-inch wheel, bigger tires. Looks sketchy when driving. A little bouncy and noisy there thanks to our off-road tires. That's what they call it, bigger wheel, bigger tire, off-road tires. That looks so cool. And this one is, I don't know what this one costs. Only have the one row seat, you know, one like 3-seater, no back row anything, 2 doors trucks. Ha, I know what it's called. It's called single cab. The other one I call Men in Black, and this one we call Men in Blue Chevy, or blue truck. Man, the tire is like whooping, like but it sounds cool. This V8 is working good. Got some power. Alright, alright. I like that. I like that. V8 power. American V8 power. Yes, Chevy. other Chevy that we've been driving before, you know. Cluster gauge is pretty much the same. Analog cluster gauge. Just keep it simple, keep it classic. I like that. Easy to follow, easy to look at. Same thing, shifter right next to the steering wheel, make it easy to access to. And we have the Navi system over here, premium audio system, radio, touchscreen, you know, all that. You can control, like, get your destination on navigation. Pandora for your entertainment, you know, on a road trip. Projection, probably you can plug your phone in and it's projected on a bigger screen so that you can relax your eyes and watch stuff on a bigger screen. Come with a text message also, traffic, all kind of fun stuff. AC control down here, and another like traction control, you know, cargo light on the back there, downhill assist or downhill braking system. Look cool. And this one comes with an aftermarket sunroof. Wow, okay, so I don't think this comes with a sunroof from factory, but an aftermarket company, what is it, Hibasto, is making a sunroof for this one. Wow, it's looking cool. I like that, I like that. Little bumpy, you know, not as comfy as the other one, but it's not too bad. I still like it. I still able to enjoy in this one, you know, for daily ride. Take it off-road here and there. Not sure about heavy off-road, but we can do some easy one, you know. Braking is still good, even though it's been modified and updated here and there. You know, the tuning is a little harder, good, taller. So, ooh, oh, wow, that VA working amazing with the 6-speed transmission. Kind of push me in the back seat a little there. Like it, love that. No, can't complain. You know, can't complain for displacement. Bigger displacement, as bigger is better. More fun. Cool. Enjoying this one, no? Something different here and there, you know. AC is cold, it's freezing right now. Oof. Alright, power window. That's good there. Got the cruise control here, voice command and other stuff on the steering wheel. Nice setup, That's a decent sun visor, blocking the sun hitting my eyes. Oh. There you go. Alright, I was cool. Just sharing with you this little buddy right here. And thanks for my friend for letting me drive in this one. It's a cool truck. Appreciate it. And please leave in the comments, what do you think? You like it? I love this truck so much. It's something different, and thank you for coming with me. I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.